Good morning, dear one. I hope you all are fine. Now, today we will learn some more concept, more ratios of solvency we had left in the previous class. So, today we are going to learn about proprietary ratio and interest service coverage ratio. So, proprietary ratio is taken as proprietor's fund ratio, you can say. It actually been calculated to find out the relationship between proprietors or shareholders fund to net asset. It has very simple formula. Proprietors fund, or you can say shareholders fund, is divided by capital employed or net asset. Here a new word for you, capital employed. Capital employed is refers as debt plus equity. Debt plus equity is called capital employed. And you are aware of the meaning of debt and equity we had done earlier. This ratio shows that if it is higher, how much higher amount being invested by shareholders to finance asset, it will be better for the creditors point of view. They will feel more secure. It has two different approaches to calculate proprietors fund. If it is liability side approach, then it is very simple, as you have calculated in equity. Same manner, share capital, that is equity share plus preference share plus reserve and surplus. When it is asset side approach, then non-current assets plus working capital. Working capital means, yes, current asset minus current liabilities. And you have also to deduct non-current liabilities. So from asset side approach, proprietors fund can be calculated by non-current asset plus working capital minus non-current liabilities. Okay. Total asset don't have a different, total asset is equal to non-current asset plus current assets. It's called total asset. Okay. If it will be higher, as again I am telling you, better for the creditors, and if it will be lower, then creditors will not secure. Okay. Come to the next ratio, that is interest coverage ratio. As the name suggests here, interest coverage ratio. Sometimes it is also called interest service coverage ratio. This ratio is required to calculate when you are in need that a particular organization or firm is how much capable to provide the services, or to say capabilities to pay interest on long-term loan. For the calculation of this one, organization take profit before interest and tax divided by interest on long-term debts. So for example, you can take here, say organization has earned a profit before interest and tax is 1 lakh, and its interest on long-term loan is 10,000. So it has 10 times services, can provide 10 times. But in a different situation, you can say net profit before interest and tax is 12,000 and interest is required to be paid by the firm is 10,000. So you can say 1.2 times. So means the lender of the company is also in risk. It may be possible that in a few time company will not able to provide its interest easily. So this ratio is actually calculated to find out how much profit is there that is covering interest. Greater is the difference, better is the condition, and vice versa. So I hope you have learned solvency ratio. You need to practice it. Till then, goodbye.